Yeah, and another thing. Hey, I'm out here in the shop working on my daughter's Harley Davidson ST. And I buy the knockoff stuff from the China guys, and it's decent stuff. I mean, give you an example. This is like a $20 item, and you're gonna spend like 100 and some odd dollars at the Harley dealer to get the same effect of getting your air deflection off your front bat wing on your motorcycle. And that's what this does. This helps you get more airflow into your body as you're on the motorcycle, or it actually keeps the air off. So it's a really nice setup, and it's very easy to install. There's just a bunch of little screws, little plugs right here, and those plugs come out, and then you just screw this in. And I'll just kind of show you that to you. So they give you 3 screws with 3 washers to install this, and it's a 5/32 Allen head. So here's over here. But what I do though is I take my knife and I pop out these little plugs. These are just plugs, and behind these plugs are threaded. It's threaded so you can put your screws in. See, it's just a little plug. So you see, it's just a little plug, and now you've got these holes that makes it so you can screw in your screws right here with your nice little wing deflector. Oh my goodness! So if you're smart, you don't tighten any of these down. You kind of got to jiggle them a little bit to kind of get it going so you don't cross thread them. But it's really simple, not hard at all. And once again, I can't remember if I paid 20 bucks for these things or 30 bucks. They're all over Amazon. And I'll see if I can find the box with the information for you, because these aren't too shabby. And once again, it's a great thing for you to have it on your bike. Why Harley doesn't put it on there from factory? Yeah, it's just another thing for them to sell you. It's like $120 for Harley Davidson. It's the same damn thing. And voila, there you go. Same thing. This is a really nice feature on your Batwing. It's a Batwing bike. Highly recommend it. Let me go find the box so I can get you some information on it. All right, so here is the company. And they seem to have a lot of the aftermarket stuff for Harley. So I went with them. They seem to be pretty damn good. I'm going to take a picture of this for you. Wow, we got some good winds here. We got a storm coming in, I think. Which, I guess that'd be good if it calms the cool signal down a little bit. But here's the look. Those that are paying attention here. So there's the look. So I think it's a good aesthetic look to the bike. And it really does do something for you. So there's another how-to video. Very simple, nothing hard. And jiggle the screws around a little bit, kind of get them going. Don't screw them all down at one time. And it should be great. And I think these things are $20. So what a deal, right? So thanks for watching Ice Age TV.